Can I see? Show it sa camera. Ayan. Huwag kang humarang. Ito yung camera, Rich, oh. Rich, ito yung camera, oh. Doon ka sa likod ng box.
Sa akin yung mga bullets at gun. Sa akin yung bullet at yung gun. Wow!
Hero,
And this
hero.
my weapon box. And this my car. A helicopter.
I think it's fine.
Ayun talaga, si Rich yung tinawag ko, eh. Tapos,
This guy.
yung dalawa.
Sa akin yung machine gun.
Machine gun. Wala machine gun.
Dito sa bahay.
Di ba, ano ba bang meron sa likod?
Can we have some of our subject?
Oh, later, pag buo na to. Ay, it's the same. So, meron siyang helicopter. Oh, hero. I did not tell you to pull it out. Dito yan sa harap.
Ah! Daddy, ito sa akin.
No, that's my weapon box.
Wait, Daddy. This one.
No, we're not
There's something inside.
Pull it.
Daddy, your
Hey.
shirt, oh.
that.
Nice your shirt, oh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Ito na yung
Ay,
Uy, bakit dyan to helmet?
Ay, share mo yan,
Daddy,
ha?
this is mga tao. Can you open it?
Ayun na ito.
It's all people.
Ay na, akin.
Yung kalbo pala si Daddy.
Perfect.
Perfect na perfect. Get out the houses.
Uy, mabibilis pa. Oh, I can do this.
Shush.
Kalbo ka.
Ayan, the build shop.
Kalbo.
This mine, this machine gun.
My good. Wow. Everybody.
Oh.
It's machine gun. Hey, that's my car, remember? That's my car. What's this?
Yo, Daddy say share now.
Sharing, but that's mine's the knife and the sniper.
Yo, I see this mine.
Where's the big gate? Oh, ito yung gate. Tapos,
This is me. There you go.
May bullets. Tawang gun.
A bullet box. The bullet box is yours. The bullet box is not there. I know how to do this. Ito. That's not me.
hirap naman, Kali.
So, can you give me the bullet and the bomb and the yadro?
Here, come.
Ako.
This is
Ayan.
Give me also left one.
oh, really? Ito dito. Ito, oh.
Give me
Dito. Oh!
Baliktad.
Hindi mali. Dito yun.
No,
Dito.
it's the same.
You're fine.
It's the same.
Daddy, you don't want to share weapons. Daddy, you don't want to
I
share
share it and you don't like to get it.
because I'm getting what I want.
Here it. Mamaya makapag-purpose namin ito. Gusto sa iwan nito. Like, kung may nakukul sa bag.
Why every time I'm talking to someone, you're talking to me?
Ah, it's a big
Nandun
bracelet.
dito, ito. Tapos ito naman. Like, borrow something. I get one. Ay, ganito ba talaga? Ano ka? You just need to do this.
Ah,
Some weird ka.
Ano naman ang buksan? Ang dami naman tayong ganyan. Ang buksan mo. Ah,
Daddy, I get to do this.
excuse me, Kali.
Me.
Kasi, di ba sa ako, the knife and this one. One the knife and the gun. Kasi ada ako. Guys, where's the bullet box?
Me too. I don't have a grenade.
No, there's only two grenades.
Ayan.
Ito ako.
Here's the military base.
Hey, help you, please.
Ay, makabili lang yan eh. Pagkagaling ko to oh. Wala
What?
pagkagaling sa helicopter.
Mama, give
Yo, this is...
May sound to malamang. Ayun.
Wait, helicopter ko. I'm not doing it. Daddy, nahihikot.
Hmm?
Ako, wala ako tao.
Ito. Ang dami tayo nandun sa box.
Yung tao ko.
Yung binuksan mo. Yung ano, the other week. Yung helicopter. Oh.
Do you
Pilot.
get that? Yeah, that's one. Bago mo na yun.
No, it's still there.
How do you
Okay.
need this? You know what?
Ay,
If
parang
you're
tao.
falling, you need this.
Yeah.
Uy, baka mawala yung mga accessories mo. Ilan yung tao? Wow, there's a weapon box. It's a nice weapon box.
Diyan yung nalagay bullets mo. Nakita ko, lock. Lock. Lock to the box. Diyan nalagay. Ay, lock.
Ba't natanggal?
Ano?
Yun talaga. Anong bullets yun? Saan yun?
Dito.
Ah, talaga? Oh.
How do you...
Yun, nice.
I'll give it.
Uy, maganda to. Meron siya ano. May shell pa oh.
May helicopter pa. Siyempre, mama. Kontrato kayo dyan.
Oh, smile dito. Smile. Caddy, smile. Caddy, smile ka dito.